Hey Excellians, here are the Ctrl+A to Ctrl+Z shortcuts for you. Ctrl+A. Select all the data in your current sheet, making edits fast and easy. Ctrl+B. Quickly bold your selected text or cells. Ctrl+C. Copy any cell or range of data. Ctrl+D. Fills the cell below with the content from the cell above, perfect for repetitive data. Ctrl+E. Flash Fill automatically completes data patterns like names or dates in seconds. Ctrl+F. Instantly find any value in your worksheet. Ctrl+G. Quickly jump to any cell you specify. Ctrl+H. Find and replace data in your worksheet with ease. Ctrl+I. Apply or remove italic formatting to your selected text. Ctrl+K. Add hyperlinks to external websites or sheets. Ctrl+L. Turn your data into a table for easier sorting and filtering. Ctrl+N. Opens a fresh new workbook instantly. Ctrl+O. Open an existing workbook quickly. Ctrl+P. Print your worksheet with one click. Ctrl+R. Fills the cell to the right with data from the left. Ctrl+S. Save your work to avoid losing progress. Ctrl+T. Instantly turn your data into a formatted table. Ctrl+U. Apply or remove underline formatting to text. Ctrl+V. Paste the data you've copied. Ctrl+W. Closes the current workbook. Ctrl+X. Cut selected cells or text to move it elsewhere. Ctrl+Y. Redo the last action you undid. Ctrl+Z. Undo your last action. Perfect for quick fixes. Subscribe for more Excel tips like this. Thank you for watching. See you soon.